Hello, this is Manish again. Hope you enjoyed the previous video which demonstrated the user interface, user interaction with the Android app. So for this video, I just want to demonstrate how the backend API works and then how to generate the data into using the REST API for the front end to use the data. Okay, so here we go. And this is so the sources for the backend API is from the Huffington Post, which is the most well-known magazine website in the world, and this is the category politic. So just for demonstration, and so in this politic category, I'll fetch each URL within this page, and then like this link, this link, and then with each link, I'll go inside each link, and then fetch each title within each link. So in this sample, I'll fetch this title: Obama's uneasy relationship with the Pentagon, and the other program that will fetch the paragraph. So the paragraph will be here. Okay, so let's see how it works. This is the program, and I run it. So this is the only parameter is a URL. So I need to input a URL. So this time I'll input the Huffington Post politic here. So if I start fetching the URL and then start fetching the data, and then it will eliminate the duplication, and I'll stop it because this is too much, and I'll show you the result. So this is all the URL they have fetched within that page. So there will be over 300 URL over here, and I'll show you the title. So the title will be a topic file, and all topic is over here. So this, as you can see, this is the first topic. My Obama has an uneasy relationship with the Pentagon, and there's a lot of data over here. But this is the data so far. So I'll use this data as the source to generate it, to find the popular word from now on. And this is the all the data from the Huffington Post politic category. You need to take some time, like 3 or 5 minutes. So I just want to skip that. And this, as you can see, there are 7,000 titles in here. So I used word counts. This program is using the LTK Python library to find the top popular words. So let's run this. It probably will take some time because they use some underlying things to deal with this, which filter the word first and then do using the window size to find the relative word, and then using the background collective things to find the 2 or 3 words you can input this, and then they probably take some time because they don't deal with the large file normally. And as you can see, you can specify the language and then the encoding. I need to deal with encoding because the Python default is ASCII2, and this program needs to take the Unicode. Okay, it need to take some time. Okay, here we go. So you can see the result over here, and then I sort it by this ascending order. So I think the top one will be in the bottom. Okay, so the top one was Thanksgiving, Obama, Black Friday, immigration, and it pretty makes sense. And this is the relative word, so dark money. It pretty makes sense to put it together. And Game of Thrones, X Factor, and hip hop. So it works. But it takes some time, as you can see. So I switched to another program called Apache Pig. So let's see how it works. Basically, do the same things as the previous one, and it's do the kind of word counts to find the popular words, and use the Apache Pig, and they are pretty complete. So they show a lot of information here, and I need to follow their pattern. They need to tokenize first and then use some generate pattern and then do some matching and then do some filtering. I think the result will come out in a second. So let's see. Okay. Okay, success. So the data is over here. Okay, the data is over here. Success, they will show the status. So I open the results. Okay, I sorted in descending order this time. And you can see the Obama still the first, the top one, and then Thanksgiving, Black Friday, immigration, holiday, marriage. So yeah, it's pretty makes sense, and it's much more faster. Actually, it's six times faster than the previous one. So I close this, and I'll go to okay. And this program going to fetch the paragraph as I show you in here. They will go inside here instead of fetching the topic. They will go fetching the paragraph over here. So in this program, I just need one parameter which is the same as the previous fetch title one, which is the homepage of the Huffington Post category, which is politic. So I need to input the same thing here. There we go. And then the same thing, they fetch the URL and then fetch the data and then eliminate the duplication. So I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna show you the data file here. The data file. Okay. So you can see there's a lot of data over here. So I can click one of them. There's one paragraph over here. I show you the other one, the paragraph over here. So I used a whole bunch of paragraph to generate a clustering results, which is the Mahout, Apache Mahout, and I use the console to run this. I write a whole bunch of them in the scripting language because there are too much of things need to be done. They need to generate a factor first, and then do some cluster, and then dump the cluster to the results. So it do some magic things, melodies, which take care of a lot of things for you, and it actually generate a lot of better result because they give you some statistic things for you to know that how the performance of this clustering work or how bad it is. So and and as you can see, they do some kind of drop clients. They do a lot of, I mean, they do a lot of job synchronously. They use this split the data first and then mapper and then reduce to one file. So I think the result will come here in a second. Okay, here we go. I'll show you the result here. So the result is over here, and the result is topic cluster dump. So this is about 20 group of cluster. So for each cluster, I can show you, for example, in this cluster, Black, history, American, talk, ration. So it makes sense. And so and a football player, the player, the I think this kind of Ohio, so it's pretty makes sense. And then in this file, you show the statistic of the clustering results, so you can help you analyze how the performance. So that's pretty much it. And so so to summarize this project, I used fetch title from in this program to fetch the title from URL and then use that to generate use the pig to find the popular one within each title to find the training words and then use it and then for each training word I do kind of some matching within the Mahal clustering to use the paragraph to clustering the relative word and then use the matching to find the not only the training word but also some relative word. So that's pretty much it. hope you enjoy this video, and I'll do some more work later on, and then hope to see you again.